Hello all. In this video, we'll see how to create a data frame. What do you mean by data frame? I'll explain you that. Now, coming to the RStudio, what we can do is now say you want to create a completely new data. Okay, so I am naming a data, some data set name. Okay, data is equal to. I'm naming the data as data is equal to 1. Okay, then you can run it. Then you can see here we got the data. I'll just refresh this. I'll redo it again. I'm giving x is equal to 1. Okay, you can use this r function here. You can use this r function. Then click run. As you can see here, x is equal to 1. Then y is equal to 1. I'm giving some other value, y is equal to 2. Okay, then click on the run, and you can see there are two data created. Okay, now say I want to enter some more values. X is equal to not only 1. I want to enter some more values, 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. Then you run it. See, the moment you run it, it shows there is a error here. Why? When in our command, when you want to give more than one values in a particular variable, you have to give it with a function called x is equal to c. Okay, you have to use this function called c function, comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. This is in other words called vectors in technical terms. Since my objective is to explain you as simple as possible, so I'm not using much technical words here. Okay, so when you want to give more than one value in any particular variable, so you have to use the function called c. Now click on the run. Now you see x is replaced with these many numbers, 4 entries we give. Similarly, we want to give it for y. Y is equal to c 3 comma 4 comma 7 sorry 5 comma 6. Okay, then click on run. As you can see, now both the data is created, x values and y values. Okay, now what is data frame? I want to combine this x and y value in a single data frame. So how do we do that? First we have to give a name of a data set. I'm giving a data set, right? The file name is equal to when you want to combine the x and y, you have to use a function data frame, data dot frame and x comma y. You can combine this both and then enter run. You can see here it is a data set. It is called a data frame. Okay, now what you can do is just type data set. Okay, data set, and then run it. You can see here the values of data sets are given. In fact, you can use the command called view to view that data set. Okay, this is the process of creating a data frame. You can try with different values with different. I'm creating one more. Z is equal to say 3 comma 6 comma 8 comma 9. Okay, then run it. Now z has also come. Now you want to merge into xyz. So what you can do is you can use this command again, x comma y comma z, and then run it. Now you see it has changed into 3 variables. Okay, that's all about creating a data frame. Single variable, you can imagine in Excel sheet a single column, right? So x is one column, y is one column. Okay, x is one column, y is one column. So all 3 columns we have converted in a data frame called data set. Okay, so that is the process of data frame. Thank you.